We had the 2010 Toyota Prius came in, customer complained the jet engine light came on. We scanned the code P261B, engine control. I want to show you, this is the water pump for Toyota Prius, okay? Like open and take a more look, okay? I see, can you see that? And you can see this is circuit board, so over time, and it's one of these circuit board is not function properly, and that reason why the jet engine light came on. Reason why I make it this video, because I saw some of the YouTube video and the Google. People complain the Toyota Prius engine run overheat, but I saw the fuel call coming to the out shop. The water pump failed and people keep going. If the water pump failed, the engine is cooling, not circulate, of course the engine gonna run overheat. It's just like you replace the timing belt. You go to the dealer, you go to mechanic shop, they always recommend you, when you replace the timing belt, while you're in there, you go ahead and replace the water pump. And most of factory recommend replace timing belt 105,000 miles. So does the electrical water pump. So the water pump you still need to replace too. So I recommend, if you had the Toyota Prius from 120,000 miles up to 150,000 miles, I highly recommend you replace the water pump, cooling, thermostat before the water failure. Right. And that's it. Thank you for watching.